Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hopefully, crawfish, being smaller, die quicker. Some countries ban boiling of crustaceans alive, requiring that cooks kill the animal prior to boiling them. Apparently there's a device you can get that will shock the head of a lobster, killing it instantly, or at least rendering it unconscious.
Take our lead.
Psychologically, there is no reason to believe or expect that a crustacean has the nervous system to process and feel pain. They simply are not equipped with that. A crustacean's nervous system is a lot like an insect's nervous system, Lutz said.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Leave the drain in the cooler open and elevate the other side slightly so water can drain out. Leave the cooler lid cracked open so the crawfish can breathe. Do not store or soak your sacks of crawfish in water, they'll die.
Take our lead.
Crabs, lobsters and shellfish are likely to feel pain when being cooked, according to a new study. January 16, 2013, at 6 p.m. Some say the hiss that sounds when crustaceans hit the boiling water is a scream. It's not, they don't have vocal cords.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.